is made with thick yarn, which helps it keep a strong and beautiful shape. You can use it to store blankets, toys, or magazines. It looks especially stylish beside a sofa or in a bedroom corner. This lampshade cover is created with fine crochet stitches, giving the light a softer and warmer glow. It works beautifully on a bedside table or in a quiet reading corner. This wall shelf combines wood and crochet for a unique handmade look. You can place candles, mini plants, or small decor pieces on it. It looks best in living rooms, hallways, or cozy bedroom walls. This crochet ottoman cover is made with thick, textured stitches that add comfort and style. It can refresh an old footstool instantly. It looks beautiful in living rooms, reading corners, or near a sofa. This crochet basket is both decorative and practical. It can hold fruits, bread, or small kitchen items. It looks especially lovely on dining tables or kitchen counters. These crochet curtain tiebacks are made with delicate floral stitches. They help hold curtains beautifully while adding charm to the room. They look best in sunny living rooms or bedrooms. This crochet poof is made with strong yarn for a sturdy and comfortable seat. You can use it as extra seating or a footrest. It fits perfectly in living rooms or lounge corners. This tray mat is created with elegant lace crochet work. It protects the tray surface while adding a decorative touch. It looks beautiful during tea time or when serving guests. This mirror frame is decorated with detailed crochet lace that gives it a soft and elegant look. It can transform a simple mirror into a statement piece. It looks best in hallways, bedrooms, or dressing areas. This crochet laundry basket is made with thick yarn for strength and shape. It is perfect for storing clothes, towels, or extra blankets. It looks neat and stylish in bedrooms or bathrooms. This hanging fruit hammock is created with strong crochet net stitches. It keeps fruits organized while saving counter space. It looks especially charming in kitchens with warm, natural light. This bedside organizer is made with useful crochet pockets for daily essentials. You can keep your phone, book, or glasses inside. It looks perfect beside the bed for a clean and tidy space. This crochet wreath is designed with floral handmade details that make any entrance feel welcoming. It can be used all year or for seasonal decor. It looks beautiful on front doors or indoor walls. This sofa arm organizer is made with practical crochet pockets to keep everyday items close by. You can store remotes, magazines, or glasses inside. It looks perfect on sofas in living rooms or TV lounges. This crochet bread basket is crafted with strong stitches for shape and style. It is ideal for serving bread, snacks, or pastries. It looks especially beautiful on dining tables or kitchen counters. This plant pot cover is made with textured crochet stitches that instantly upgrade any plain pot. It adds warmth and charm to indoor plants. It looks best near windows, shelves, or cozy corners. This wall organizer is created with multiple crochet pockets for smart storage. You can keep keys, pens, or small essentials inside. It works beautifully in bedrooms, study rooms, or entryways. These crochet coasters are made with delicate floral stitches that protect surfaces beautifully. They add colour and handmade charm to tea time. They look lovely on coffee tables, trays, or dining spaces. This crochet floor rug is made with layered stitches that create softness and texture. It feels warm under your feet and adds beauty to the room. It looks perfect beside the bed, sofa, or reading corner. This tissue box cover is designed with clean crochet stitches for a polished look. It hides ordinary packaging and adds elegance to any room. It looks best on side tables, desks, or bedside stands. This hanging lamp cover is made with open crochet stitches that let the light shine beautifully through. It creates a soft and cozy atmosphere. It looks stunning above dining tables or in stylish corners. This magazine holder is crafted with strong crochet stitches for daily use. It keeps books and magazines neatly organized. It looks perfect beside an armchair, sofa, or office desk. This window valance is created with delicate crochet lace for a soft, decorative finish. It adds charm without blocking natural light. It looks especially beautiful in kitchens, breakfast areas, or cozy bedrooms. This chair seat cover is made with thick crochet stitches for extra comfort and style. It gives old chairs a fresh new look instantly. It looks perfect in dining rooms, kitchens, or study corners. This vanity organizer is designed with delicate crochet edges for a graceful touch. It helps keep perfumes and beauty items neatly arranged. It looks beautiful on dressing tables or bedroom shelves. This key holder is created with useful crochet pockets and hooks for daily essentials. It keeps keys organized and easy to find. It looks best near entryways, hallways, or office doors. This pet bed is made with strong, chunky yarn for comfort and durability. It creates a cozy resting place for cats or small dogs. It looks lovely in living rooms, bedrooms, or sunny corners. This stair basket is designed for smart storage with stylish crochet detail. You can place small items inside to carry upstairs later. It looks practical and beautiful on staircases or hallway corners.